Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable sleeping mode for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. You have to start by open QCY application. Now you should add your earbuds to the app and your headphones should be turned on. Then the application open for you headphones menu. You need to go to the settings at the middle top, then scroll down, and right here we have sleeping mode. So once you enable it, you cannot use controls until you disable sleeping mode. So let's check it. Right now, with a single press at my right earbud, I can enable or disable game mode. So I press on it, and as you can see, my gesture works. And now let's enable sleeping mode. And now, again, single press at the game mode, and as you can see, nothing. To disable sleeping mode, you have two options. The first one is to just tap at the slider, if the slider have colorful background. And now I can use my control. Also, you can enable sleeping mode if you put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now you can open the case, remove your earbuds, and these earbuds are connected with the app, and as you can see, disable sleeping mode, so I can use my control. And you cannot add sleeping mode to the gesture. So at the top in the settings we have all gestures, and if we tap on it, there is no sleeping mode. The same for the double press and triple press. So you can enable it only in the application, but disable it you can put it to the case without the app. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.